In this video, let me show you how to open Moonshot account on your mobile. Creating an account in the Moonshot app is super easy. First, open your Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. Next, search for Moonshot and click on it. After that, download the app and open it. Now tap Register or Sign In. Then enter your email address. You'll receive a confirmation code. Enter that and you're in. No extra steps, just quick and simple. Once you log in, a Solana wallet is automatically created for you. If your device supports Face ID, you can use it for easy access. You also have the option to export your wallet keys if needed. That's it, you're all set up and ready to use Moonshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.